Hi everyone, this is a quick video instruction on how to complete your Language and Literature 9 Unit 1 Leadership Unit Reflection. Remember that your statement of inquiry this last quarter was the values of a society impact its perspective of the characteristics of an effective leader. The directions are write a reflection using one of the frames or your own writing about your learning experience with the leadership unit. Use at least one of the bullet points in the topic left column, this says topic down here, to complete the sentence frames in the frames column. This is the frames column. And you're already watching this video. And as you complete the frames, remember that the words in red mean you're going to select one of the word choices inside the brackets. Words that are highlighted in blue mean you're going to select one of the bullet points in the left column. For some of the topics, there is only one choice. And for anything highlighted yellow means you're putting in your own words. So let's look at the first one. You're going to be reflecting, and I'm going to mention this again, but remember that you are only writing in the white boxes. And you'll see here that some of these boxes are gray and some are white. And you will see the frame in the gray and in the white, but you're only responding in the white. The reason we have two of them is sometimes someone ends up accidentally deleting the frame and they can't remember what to do. So keep this one up here, any frame in the gray, leave that as is, and you respond in the white. Okay, so let's start with our topic, and your first reflection will be about the ATL skills. There were two ATL skills for this unit. One was summarizing texts, and one was organizing essays, meaning you had to organize your introduction paragraph, transition words, and your concluding paragraph. Now, as you are reflecting on your ATL skills, you'll come over to this frame and you'll be reading it one skill I, and then you'll pick either learned or improved on. Was, and then you have to pick one of these ATL skills over here. I did this, and you can use the either by or through, my work on, and when you say your work on, you'll figure out what was it in your summative that helped you with that specific ATL skill. Again, you'll pick one of these. This skill will help me in the future by, and then you have your own response. Again, leave this frame here and you're going to respond in this box down here. I'll do one so that you can see what it will look like. It says one skill that and you have to choose learned or improved upon. So let's say you never really knew how to summarize and now you think you understand it for the first time. If you were doing summarizing text for your ATL skill, then you might say learned, but if you knew how to summarize but you feel like you improved it, then what you'll do is say improved upon was, and then here you'll erase ATL skill and you will pick summarizing text. One skill I improved upon was summarizing text. I did this, and I'll say, maybe I'll want to say by my work on, and perhaps I'll say summarizing both the lady or the tiger and the article on Greta Thunberg. This skill will help me in the future, and I might say with the summarizing text, maybe I'll say because most of my classes will require summarizing at some point. And that's what it can look like. And it's fine if you want to just leave the different colors for this. The next topic is work habits, and you have these 5 different work habits over here: reading and responding to teacher comments, that would be in Google Classroom, time management, class participation, collaboration, or something else that you might think of. You have 2 sentences for the responses. The first sentence is something I feel I did well during the unit was, and you'll pick one of these work habits. And then you'll say because and explain why you think you did well on that. And the second sentence frame is something I could improve for future units is, and you'll pick a different work habit because, and you'll respond. Again, you'll respond down here in the white, and you might be copying unless you made up your own one, but you could be copying and pasting for the blue part, but then for the yellow part, you're putting in your own words. The next topic is the IB Learner Profile Attributes. You have 2 for this unit, thinker and communicator. Here is your frame. You will copy and paste either thinker or communicator into the blue part. You'll pick one of the red words that would fit best, and then you have your own words in the response, but you will respond in the white section down here. You'll also respond or reflect too on your statement of inquiry. And again, you're going to choose agree or disagree with the statement of inquiry that the characteristics that we as a society value impact our perspective of effective leadership because. And so down here in the white, you'll pick agree or disagree, and you will respond. After the statement of inquiry, you're going to look at the debatable response or reflection. And you have already looked at this in the introduction to the unit, but now you're going to reflect again after you've had more time to think and analyze the topic. And down here in the white, you'll choose I believe or don't believe it's possible to be an effective leader without having characteristics that society values because, and you respond with your ideas. And down here, the last section is optional, and it's advice or reflection for me. What is something that your teacher could change to improve the unit for future students? And here's your frame, and be as specific as you can so that it could be valuable information. Good job. Turn it in when you're done.